Hi guys, happy new year. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I promise you, I'm back. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to fix some zippers. This is not to say these are the only types of zippers that there are, but these are just the ones that I do a lot. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix them on your garments. Come with me. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using 3 different types of zips, and let's see which one should we fix first. Which one? Okay, let's do this first. So I have 3 pieces of fabric and I'm going to be cutting them into 2. Okay, so this is the ordinary zip. It's usually found on, some people use it for on skirt, and the longer one is used for children dresses. Not all children dresses, but you get it just. So I'll be starting with it. Don't mind me and the kind of colors I'm using. First of all, I'll close the end of the like this. I need to be sure that the zip works before I stress myself, and we now get to the end and I can't unzip. So yeah. Remember to backstitch. So this is well done, and then I'll just put this over it and I'll sew. You want to make sure that your stitches here are straight, and you want to make sure that you pick both of them. I mean, like this piece and this piece. And we're done, oh guys. It's that simple. That's it. So you just unzip and zip, and we're good to go. Okay, second one. This is the plastic zip. It comes in different lengths and different designs, really. So this is what we're fixing next, and like I did before, I'm going to close the end of the garment again. Open up. And I'll insert this. So at the end of the day, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. This is the right side. So of course this will be here, like this. For this, what I like to do most of the time is pin it, because if you don't, It's cool if you, I mean, if you're an expert and stuff, you don't have to do that. But if you're not, chances are that while you're trying to sew, you're stretching it, and if you stretch the zip, it will align. Maybe sometimes it doesn't, but let's say that it even aligns, but you get this collopy look at the end of the day, and I hate it. It's not even professional. So I just pin so that as I go, so that I remove the pins as I go, and that way I'm sure that the zipper did not stretch. And voila, we're done. There you go. And then we'll move over to the invisible zipper. This zip used to scare the hell out of me when I started to sew. Like, I used to like literally have anxiety issues whenever I was going to sew it. Like, oh my god, like invisible zipper. I don't know, man. But right now, I've got this. And trust me, you've got this too. So, first of all, as a beginner, what I teach is that if you want to fix invisible zip, iron it. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, iron it. And in fact, I'm going to iron this so you know, so you understand what I'm talking about, so you know how it looks. So let's go and iron it. This is what it looks like when it's ironed. See how flat it is? See? So you can actually see where you want to sew without stress. So let's do this. Let's do it before it folds back, because yeah, it will fold back. Okay, so this is the right side of the zip. This is the right side. So we're sewing like this. This is the right side. So when we're done, it should look like this. That means that this guy will be on this side. So it's ironed, it's flat. I can see that this is where the teeth actually starts from, so I shouldn't go there. And then I'll just sew directly. I'll just sew directly beside it. Directly beside it. See, I'm sewing, feeling all cool and stuff. So I'll just pin all the way, and then we go. It's still open. I can still see the part that I ironed. You can see that it's still flat. And voila! That's it. And then I'll just zip up. Haha! Look at that. I mean, like, look at that. There you go. Perfect. So guys, try it out and let me know how it goes. I mean, it doesn't get better than this, yeah. So this is one, the other one, and then yeah, the third one. There you go, guys. There you go. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.